This is so cool. This is the Avalanche Escape set from Trackmaster. And Tale of the Brave Thomas and Friends engine. This is the one that you see on commercials where the bridge collapses. So this is it. And looks like a lot of fun. It's 6 feet long, which is cool. It's from Fisher-Price for kids age 3 to 6. It's faster and steeper. Trackmaster made a lot of improvements recently, and that's 2 of the improvements. There's Thomas there. Watch out for the scrap monster. Discover a fossil in the creepy cave. There's the creepy cave there. Looks like a lot of fun. Connectable, expandable, motorized play. You can connect all sorts of Trackmaster sets to this to make it bigger, better, and faster.